Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Flagship program of Vigyan Parishad Goa, which is held every year and is unique in the country, is Science Film Festival. The Science Film Festival aims at, again, taking science to the people, to the students, through audiovisual means, wherein films are used as a means, but along with it, there is a scientific discourse, interaction with an eminent scientist in this event.
Vigyan Bharati in the year 2016 has initiated an event that is Science Film Festival. The motto of this festival is to inculcate scientific temper in young minds. This year, this will be held in Goa in association with the Goa University, various national laboratories in the state like National Institute of Oceanography, National Center for Polar and Ocean Research, Goa State S&T and ESG. This will be held between 26th and 28th April 2022. As a prelude to this event, there will be a pre-fest between 15th March to 25th March, wherein selected scientific personnel and academicians from the institute across state of Goa and university would be interacting with the students of around 70 schools. Followed by that, you will have the film making workshop along with the competition. That's between 12th of April to 15th of April. Followed by that, there will be a workshop for the teachers on 26th, and then you will also have Students' Village. This is a very unique opportunity for the young minds in Goa to understand various facets of science. So I would urge all the students to take the maximum benefit of this.